Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card into the Samsung A16. In the phone box you will find the SIM tray removal tool. If you don't have this tool, use an unfolded paper clip or pin to open the slot instead. On the top left side is the SIM tray. Insert the SIM eject tool into the hole on the SIM card tray to loosen the tray. Pull out the SIM card tray gently from the SIM card tray slot. You can use the phone only with a SIM card, or with two cards dual SIM, or a card and an SD card. Place the SIM card on tray with the gold-colored contacts facing down. Dual SIM, place the second card in the hybrid slot. And the last option, a SIM card and SD card. Remove the card from the hybrid slot and insert the SD card. Insert the SIM card tray back into the SIM card tray slot. Ensure that the ejection pin is perpendicular to the hole and push gently. Don't push it too hard, however, as you may break the pin. Turn on the phone, enter the pin codes of the cards. If we use two cards we can customize which card will be for calls or mobile data, or which card will send the messages. Swipe down twice on the main screen and you'll access the quick menu where you can change which card will make voice calls, messages or mobile data. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, it would help me a lot.